Saturate your mind with your dream reality. Even when doubts show up, even when you worry, on the good days and on the bad days, saturate your mind with your dream reality. And before you know it, everything would have changed for you. That's literally how manifestation works. Manifestation is not something special. Manifestation is something you do every day, your reality you are creating every day by the thoughts you think and the scenes you imagine in your mind. Your thoughts, your imaginations are creating your dream reality. So if you want a quick turnover, if you want a quick delivery of your manifestation from the universe, the master plan is really so simple. You pick what you want. Choose one affirmation, you can choose two affirmations. Choose a visual scene as well, because visualization helps it come across so much faster. So choose a visual scene that tells you that what you want is already manifested. Keep visualizing that. Keep affirming your one or two affirmations. Keep persisting. Keep thinking about it. And it has to manifest. It's inevitable that you get what you want. Sometimes you will get what you want instantly. Sometimes it might take a little bit of, effort, especially if you're trying to manifest something that matters a lot to you and you have a lot of feeling towards and you really, really want it. So maybe somewhere across the way, some sort of resistance has crept in. But if you don't give up and if you keep persisting, if you keep affirming, if you keep visualizing, it has to manifest. There is no other choice. There's no other possibility. The speed at which you get results will depend on how well you are keeping up with your manifestation routine. So don't be those people who affirm for like a couple of days and then give up because nothing has shown up. Don't be one of those people who just give up before they even see the first signs of their manifestation coming up. Decide what you want, okay? If you want to be successful at manifestation, you are going to have to become a strong person. Decide what you want and tell yourself that this time I'm going to stick with it. This time I'm going to stick with my affirmations. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to do everything that I can till it manifests. Right? And I'm going to keep affirming and I'm going to keep visualizing if that is something you like to do. I love visualization because it's so much fun for me. And also, just to give you a side note, we all are always visualizing because we think in pictures, not in words. Let me give you an example. Think about a card. What showed up in your mind? The alphabet CAR, or you saw the image of a car. We think in images, right? Words follow, they do not precede, right? We see the image and we think in images. So I like to use imagination. It's quick, it's easy. I also like to affirm, so I do both. Well, I also script, but like I'm going all in. But you can start small. You start with visualization or you start with affirmations. Both of them work. You don't have to go all in like me. I do it because I like it, but you do what works best for you. If it's just affirming, if that's all you can do, then just affirm, but don't give up. So the reason why I gave you my manifestation routine, because using this routine, I've hit 40,000 plus followers on my Facebook channel. I have been racking up and signing clients consistently. And recently, one of my YouTube channels also got monetized. In fact, I started recording this video just after filling the form. So it just happened today. It's the 8th of June when I'm recording these videos. And it happened today. And I've been trying to get my YouTube working for, let's say, a couple of years now. But I've never been consistent because there was a lot of misinformation out there. I was also learning. So even though I had the right idea, I was never consistent, never disciplined. I knew how manifestation works, but I wasn't consistent, and hence I wasn't getting results. But this year, that's something that I changed. I promised myself that I'm going to be consistent this year. So I affirmed and I visualized and I scripted, I went all in. But you can simply affirm as well or simply visualize, and it's going to work. Because the power is not in the technique, the power is not in how much you are doing. The power is in you're doing it consistently. The power is in persistence, consistency, and your discipline. So pick one technique. If you're using an affirmation, pick an affirmation. If you're using visualization, pick a visual scene. Start with one thing. If you are a beginner, and consistently saturate your mind with it, the idea of having it. And do not give up this time. And it will happen for you. Because if it can happen for me, it can happen for anyone. I was one of those people who had a lot of negative beliefs, to be honest. But regardless of, did I have doubts? Yes, I did. Did I have worry? Yes, I did. Did I feel like giving up on some days? Yes, I did. But did I give in to my doubts, worries, and fears? No, I did not. And that is why that channel is monetized. That is why that channel is growing steadily. That is why I have people on Facebook. That is why I sign clients, even manifestation clients, regardless of how many subscribers I have. Maybe I'll get serious about subscribers on my manifestation channel and let's see how it works. But the key point here is that I persisted. It did not happen instantly for me because for some reason I really put YouTube on a pedestal. So there was resistance, but I've started tearing that pedestal down these days and it's showing results. So that's what you've got to do. Persist, stay at it. Doubts will come some days they will not. Worry will come some days. You will feel like you're going nowhere some days, but that's okay. You affirm, you visualize regardless. You stay, you stick with your dream regardless. Become an athlete. That's what I would like to say. That's why I love watching sports. Be with the mindset of an athlete that you're going to make it happen. You're going to stick with the process. You're going to affirm and persist. And even when you waver, you are going to just, it's okay. Wavering is okay. Just the moment you catch yourself doing that, pull yourself together, get back on the bandwagon and affirm and script and visualize and get into the state again after you catch yourself. And you do this, and there's no other reality possible for you than to get what you want. Let me be your example. I can link that channel up here. I will link that channel that's, it's in review right now for monetization, but it fulfilled the requirements, and I will link that channel up here. And it really took off in the last month. So stick with it. Saturate yourself with it and you will get it. There's no other reality possible. There's nothing else that can happen if you stick with it. And if you follow sports, there will be countless examples. Recently, Alexander Zverev, he did not quit. He wins his first title. There was this gymnast called Chang Fei from China. She wanted to give up as a kid, but her parents told her to stick with it. She didn't, and she won the Olympic gold and individual medals too. So stick with it if you are serious about your dream, and it will manifest, right? Thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope this gave you the inspiration that you needed, especially if you are about to give up, because this is the message for people who are about to give up. Don't. So, because as long as you keep persisting, it's going to happen. When you tell your subconscious you're not going to give up, it's going to happen. So, Comment Master Manifestor, subscribe to your channel, and when you do subscribe, hit the bell icon. Like this video, share this video, Comment Master Manifestor, and to book personal coaching, check the description box for all the details, and I will see you again soon. Bye.